What is up, everybody? I am Springtrap Upload and welcome back to another video. And today's a tutorial video on how to make your own intro in your YouTube channel. So let's get started. You can first, sorry guys for that noise, and you have to type in right there. I already typed it in. Well, I didn't type it in. I already typed it in a couple hours ago. I had to make a new intro since my old computer broke, and I had that intro on there. So yeah, you can find my old intro if you didn't see it. I already uploaded it. It's called my new intro. Okay, right here when you type in Panzoid, I think that's what it's called. And you see multiple fins here. Just you have to click Panzoid. You can click the other fins, I always click Panzoid. Well, you can do anything. And right here, it takes you to this area, and this. Here you can, make your own, well, you know, intros. I always like to do, like, a template kind of thing. You can do Minecraft intros, cool 2D intros. It's really cool. I go for template. I used to do 3D, like these intros on my YouTube channel, but I kind of go for like, well, you know. Whatever, okay. Sorry guys, it's taking my computer slow a lot. Okay, you can see all these intros people have made. And look at this one. That's cool. And I'm going to do this one. It's insane purple 2D blender looks into template. Template, that's what it's called. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, in the comment section below. And let's do this, shall we? Okay, here it is. Yo, enter your intro. Now, you can edit your intro. First, you want to see how your intro was right before you changed it? While you can. You can press play with the die on, and if you press the I symbol over here, it will take you to the fancy mangy dimension kind of awesome YouTuber style intros. Here it is. Maybe I won't use this one. Well, tab, next one. I'm gonna go back to more collision. I'm so sorry, guys. Wait a minute. Stay. I'm going back to this site. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, here it is. What should I use? Oh, I get it. Maybe not. Maybe I should use something else. Look at this one. I might use this one. It looks so beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna upload the video tomorrow, and I finished my episode 2. Don't worry, guys, it's right here. Now I just have to I'm gonna show you a little tease. This takes place after that jump scare everybody did do Little Footbear. No. Sorry, it's taking a long. What's that? Sorry, it's taking a long time, guys. Skibidi pop pop. Skibidi pop pop. Oh, sorry guys. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments if I'm saying skibidi pop pop. Skibidi pop pop. I'm so sorry. This noise is going on. Sorry guys. Okay, here it is. I want to see how this intro is. I'll use this one. That looks so nice. Okay. I like to do it like here. And if you first you go to the little square that has a check mark in it, and then you can put the seconds of the intro. I usually go for 9.9 seconds, and you can put the frame rate. I just stay with 30 frame rate, and you can do video solution area. I think I really go for like this one. Okay. Then go to this area where it shows a 3D box, and you go to text and name. Type. You can do any intro. I'm just showing this one. Okay. Type in your name. I am Springtrap Lord. Sorry guys. I'm doing it all day. There it is. And I'm going to do this style of kind of things. Whatever it's called. There it is. Okay, let's see how it's in this area. Okay, let me see if you can move the camera angle and stuff. If you want to move the camera angle and stuff, I'm going to do it like maybe here, maybe blah blah blah. Sorry guys if I'm acting super strange. If you crash one more time, I'm gonna scream myself. And I don't know, guys. This is for a tutorial, and when you're done with the animating and stuff, you can select the music for your intro. Right here, just select, and then when you're done, go to download, and then you can. I'll make a part to this video because I don't have a full version of Bandicam. Oh, come on. There, and then I always like to put FNAF music in my videos. I will go for the Five Nights at Freddy's 3, Five Nights Only song. I will go for that one. Okay, here it is. Let me go restart the video. Here it is. It'll end, guys, don't worry. There it is. It's a little laggy. Let me restart it. It's still not lag. And that's how you make your own intro, guys. So now I can show you the teaser. I have to tell you whatever. I'll show you tomorrow. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this episode, guys. Smash that like button and hit that like button if this video helped you. And peace out, everybody. Oh, and stay awesome and be cool. Bye bye. And get ready for Ultimate Custom Night. Bye bye.